Hello children, today we are going to learn a new lesson, multiplication. So in previous classes we learned about addition, subtraction. So in this class multiplication. So first they given you as a revise. So skip numbers. This also we learned in previous classes, right? In your first lesson revision exercises. So in that we learned how to write a skip numbers. So in this lesson they given you to revise once again the skip numbers, then how to multiple the numbers. So first main they given you fill in the boxes from 1 to 20, then circle every second number. So I taught you this, right? Two numbers skip writing. So two numbers skip counting. Two numbers skip counting. How many numbers? Two numbers skip counting. This is. So first they given you as write 1 to 20 numbers. So 1 to 10 already they given you. So next they given you from 11. So what is the next number of 11? You should write there. So what is the next number of 11? So next number of 11 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this one you have to fill it first. Then what you have to do? You have to circle the numbers in skip counting. How you want to do? Now 1. So one number they said to skip, two numbers skip counting. This is right. So what we have to do? We have to skip one number and next number we have to circle. So what is the first number here? One number we have to leave. So here 1 is there in a first place. So this one we have to not circle. So second number you have to circle, that is 2. What you have to circle? 2. Maybe they already circled you. So method I am teaching here for you, right? So one number we have to skip and next number we have to circle. That is called a two number skip counting. Two numbers skip counting. What we call for that? Two number skip counting. One number you have to skip and next number you have to circle it. So now 2 we circle, 3 you have to skip and you have to circle for 4. Then 4 after 5 is there, we have to skip 5 and we have to circle 6. So next 7 is there, we have to skip 7 number and we have to circle for 8. So next 9 they given, so we have to skip 9 and we have to circle 10. So next 11 is there, so we have to skip 11 and we have to circle 12. So next 13 they given, so we have to skip 13 and we have to circle 14. So 14 after 15 they given, so 15 you should skip and you should circle for 16. So 16 after 17 they given, so 17 you should skip and 18 you should circle. So 18 after 19 is there, so 19 we have to skip and we have to circle for 20. So what we call for this? So one number we are skipping and next number we have to circle. This is called as a two number skip counting. This is called two number skip counting. So what we have to do in this next boxes? So what all the numbers we circled, only that numbers we have to write here. Write only the circled numbers. So you have to write which all the numbers you circled above in this boxes. So that numbers you have to write below in the below box. Okay. So already they given you 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6 is done already. So next we have to write 7 there? No. So what we have to write next number in the box? So which one we circled? 8 number we circled. So we have to write it here. Number 8. So number 8 after which one we circled? Number 10. So we have to write it here. Number 10. So next 11. So 12 number we circled. So we have to write it here 12. So 13 they given that we didn't circle. So we skip that. And which one we have to write it? 14 we have to write. So next which number we circled? 16. So we have to write there 16. So here 18 we circled next number. So we have written there 18. So next we have to write in that box 20. So this all you should do in that below box. What you have to do, which all the numbers you circled in the above box, that circled numbers you have to write it here. So here what you have to do, one number you have to skip and the next number you have to circle. So one number if we skip and second number we are circling, so we called this one as a 2 number skip counting. So this one is next main. So what they given you, fill in the boxes from 1 to 30 and then circle every third number. So here what we have done, second number we circled. Which number we circled? Second number we circled. So that is called 2 number skip counting. So this is called 3 number skip counting. 3 numbers skip counting. So what we have to do? We have to circle each third number. 2 numbers we have to skip and third number we have to circle it. Before that what we have to do? We have to complete this box 1 to 30 numbers. So they given already for you 1 to 10 and 11, 12. So next, which all the missing numbers there till 30 that you have to fill it first. So 12 after number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we filled till 30 numbers there. So next what we have to do? So 1, 2, 3. So what they given here? Circle every third number. Here we circled every second number. So here we have to circle every third number. Then how many numbers we have to skip? 2 numbers we have to skip and third number we have to circle it. So for this what we call 3 number skip counting. This is called as a 2 number skip counting and this is called as a 3 number skip counting. So what we have to do now? 1, 2, 3. So third number we have to circle, right? So 1, 2, 3 is the first number you have to circle. So what we have done? 2 numbers we have skipped and Number 3 we have circled. 2 numbers we have skipped and third number we have circled. Okay. Next, after 3, which one is there? 4. 4. So 4 you have to circle. 5 we have to circle. No. 2 numbers we have to skip. So 4 and 5. This is first. Second, so third number we have to circle. So we have to circle for 6. Which one we have to circle? We have to circle for 6. Then 6, after 2 numbers we have to skip, that is 7 and 8. So third number we have to circle, that is 9. Right, children? So 9 after 10, 10 we have to not circle. 11 also we should not circle because we have to skip 2 numbers. So 10 and 11 we are skipping and we have to circle for 12. We have to circle for 12. So next 12 after 13, 14, 15. So 13 and 14 we have to skip and we have to circle for 15. Right, children? So keep in your mind 3 numbers skip counting means. So here we have to circle. So we have to circle it directly. Okay. 16 and 17 we have to skip and we have to circle for 18. 19 and 20 we have to skip and 21 we have to circle. 22 and 23 we have to skip and we have to circle for 24. 25 and 26 we have to skip and 27 we have to circle it. 28 and 29 we have to skip and 30 we have to circle it. Right, children? So, what all the numbers you circled there that you have to write in this below box. So, in your textbook they given you like this boxes hand down one empty box. In that they given you now write only the circled numbers. So, which all the numbers you circled in this above box, you should write it here. Okay. So, 3 is circled, write it 3 and 4, 5 after 6 as circled, write it 6 and 9 is circled next number, write it 9 and 12 is circled next number, write it 12 and then after that 15 is circled next. You have to circle it 15, then it is 18, then it is 21, then 21, then 24, and then 27, and then 30. Okay, children, this you have to do in your textbook. So let me move to next main. Yes, children, next main, they given you fill in the boxes from 1 to 20, then circle every fifth number. So what you have to do there? First, you have to write 1 to 50 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So first you have to fill the boxes from 1 to 50 numbers. So now 3 numbers skip counting we done. That is, first we done is skip counting in 2s, skip counting in 3s, and this is skip counting in 5s. Skip counting in 5s. So first we have done 2 numbers, then we have done 3 numbers. This we have to do it 5 numbers. So skip 4 numbers and every 5th number you have to circle there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th number is 5. So you circle the 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 you have to skip and you have to circle 10. So 11, 12, 13, 14 you have to skip and you have to circle for 15. 16, 17, 18, 19 you have to skip and you have to circle for 20. 21, 22, 23, 24 you have to skip and you have to circle it for 25. 26, 27, 28, 29 you have to skip and 30 you have to circle it. 31, 32, 33, 34 you have to skip and 35 you have to circle. 36, 37, 38, 39 you have to skip and 40 you have to circle it. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 44 you have to skip and 45 you have to circle it. So 46, 47, 48, 49 you have to skip and 50 you have to circle it. So what you have to do in the below box now? What all the numbers you circled in above box that you have to fill it here. So first we have to write 5. After that which we circled 10. After that we circled 15. After that 20. So 25. 30, 35, 40, 45 and then 50. That's all, children. So I hope you understood. First we done in 2 numbers, that is called 2 skip counting in 2s. Second main we have done skip counting in 3s and this is skip counting in 5s. Right? Shall we move to next? So next main they given you skip counting in 10s. So how you have to do the way same. So 1 to 100 numbers if you take, in that you have to skip and go 10s means 9 number you have to skip and 10th number you have to circle. So what you will get 10 numbers means, so 1 to 9 you skipped, so 10th number is 10 only. So you have to circle, write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. Okay. Fill there in that boxes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and then 100. So this is called as a skip counting in tens. Okay, this skip counting in fives and this is skip counting in tens. So next you have to write there 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay children. So next we will learn to do the sums multiplication. Before that, I'll give an introduction how to do the multiplication. Let me move. Yes, children. So what we have to learn here in doing multiplication. What do you mean by multiplication? So we learned addition and subtraction, right? So addition is putting things together, and subtraction is taking away from the things. So multiplication is nothing but that repeated addition. What we call repeated addition. Repeated addition. See now, for example, I took now two group of trees here. Here also it is 4 and here also it is 4. So how much I taken? 4 trees here and 4 trees here. So it is in different group. So if we are doing in addition, how he was doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So here nothing, what we have to do is 4 and plus here also it is 4. What I said, addition, repeated addition called as the multiplication, right? 4 plus 4 is how much? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, children? So we have to write it here 8. So next, what we have to do is, so 2 times it is in equal. So here also 4 and here also 4. So what is that? It is a equal. So 2 times it is 4 here. So next what you have to do is 2 times 4 it is. Right. So 4, how many times it is repeated here? How many times it is repeated here? 2 times. How many times it is repeated here? 2 times. So 4 into 2. So 2 4s is how much? 2 4s is how much? 8. Right, children? So here also we got the same answer. So because it is a repeated addition. So here how we are doing, this is a symbol of multiplication. In 2 mark, what we are using, that is the symbol for multiplication. So plus symbol for addition, right? And minus symbol for subtraction. Like that only for addition in 2 mark we use. So 4 number we have here also 4 and here also 4. So how many times 4 is there here? 2 times. So 2 4s is 8. So you got it the same answer, but here we done as a addition and here it is a multiplication. That is the difference. So now addition means, so many times it will be 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Right? So this much also you should count. See, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times 2 has written here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times it is 2. So 2 into how many times? 5 times. So 2 5s are, you know the tables of 2 ones are? So 2 4s are is 8, then 2 5s are is 10. 2 5s are is 10. Like this you shall have to do 2 5s are 10. So here it is a repeated addition as called as a multiplication. Repeated addition is called as a multiplication. So I thought you understood. 2 5 times I got. So I written here 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So if you add 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So it is a repeated. So it is a procedure, long procedure you have to do right now. So shortly you can do it. 5 twos are 10. Understood? So 10 times if it is 2, so 2 into 10 is equal to 2 tens are 20. Right? Like this, you have to do the multiplication. So, the group of trees I took. If it is like this also okay. Now, 3 I'll take. Okay. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, how many times I took 3 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 is repeated, right? So 3 into 4. So what is the table of 3 fours are? 3 fours are 12, right? So you have to write it 12. So if you add also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so repeated addition is called as a multiplication. Repeated addition is called as a multiplication. So this you have to remember it. Okay, repeated addition is called as a multiplication. So we move on to the exercise what they given in next. So next they given you in page number 92, multiply the following using number line. So addition also we did in the same way. So here in the multiplication we have to do it. They given you a number line. They given you 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So what you have to do? 2 into 3 means how many times you have to repeat the 3? 2 times or 3 times? So this way also you can take, or you can take 2 into 3 means 2 number 3 times you have to repeat it. 2 number you have to repeat it 3 times. So 2 number you have to take, right? So 0, 1, 2. So first you have to come here for 2. Then again 2 numbers means 1, 2. 2, 3 and 4. So 2 numbers. Again 2 numbers 4 to 6. So what is the answer? 6. So you have to write 2 number 3 times. If we multiple, answer is 6. 2 3s are 6. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Like this you have to mark in the number line. So next 7 into 2. So 7 number you have to mark 2 times. So now 1 to 7. So 1 to 7. 1 time. So from 7 again 7 number you have to take. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you don't count the number what is there. So number what you have to count? 7 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number again means where you have to put? To 14. Understood, children? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now 7 we have to take. So first we have marked till 7. After that again 7 number we have to take. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we count means it comes to 14. So you have to mark it till 14. So what is the answer? 7 2 times if we add, we will get 14. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Means 7 2s are 14. Okay, children. So in this class, I taught till here. In next class, we learn how to do the multiplication sums. So two sums I given you as an example. Remaining sums you complete in your textbook, children. Thank you.